In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete photos from your Google business profile. If you want to clean up your business listing, remove outdated images, or report photos that shouldn't be there, the process is fairly straightforward once you know where to look. The main thing to understand is that the steps are a little different depending on whether the photo was uploaded by you or by a customer or member of the public. First, if you want to remove a photo that you uploaded yourself, start by signing in to the Google account connected to your business profile. This is important because Google only gives you management access when you're logged into the correct account. Once you're signed in, go to Google Search or Google Maps and search for your business name. This should bring up your Google business profile where you can manage business information and media. From there, select Photos. Take a moment to scroll through the images until you find the one you want to remove. When you see it, click or tap on the photo to open it fully. Then look for the delete option, which usually appears as a trash can icon. Select it and confirm the deletion when prompted. After that, the image will be removed from your business profile. Now, if the photo was posted by a customer or someone from the public, the process is different. You typically can't directly delete those images yourself, even if they appear on your business listing. Instead, you'll need to report the photo for Google to review. To do that, locate the customer uploaded photo on your profile and open it. Then look for either a flag icon labeled as a reporting option or a three-dot menu, usually in the top right area of the screen. Depending on your device, the wording may vary slightly, but you're looking for an option like report a photo or report this photo. After selecting that, choose the reason that best matches the issue. For example, you might report it for inappropriate content, poor quality, or privacy concerns. Be as accurate as possible when choosing the reason, since Google uses that information during review. Once you submit the report, Google will assess the photo and remove it if it violates their guidelines. A helpful tip here is to be patient after submitting a report, because removals are not always immediate. Also, make sure you're reviewing the correct section of your profile, since business owner photos and public photos can appear in different areas. That's how to remove your own photos and how to report customer photos on your Google business profile.